marriage and a relationship. And the word is commitment. Commitment means to be active. Commitment means to put in the work. So I charge both of you to continue to be active. Continue to put in the work. Number two, understanding. What makes understanding important is that understanding eliminates confusion. So in this stage in your marriage, understand how to properly and effectively communicate with each other. In this stage in your marriage, understand each other. And mostly important, understand yourself. Understand what works in your marriage. Understand your desires, your needs, you want. And together be committed to helping each other obtain whatever it is that you want to attain in the future. Everyone has their own definition of love. Love can show up in different ways. People are quick to say, if you love me, you would. Let me tell you this, that is 100% false. Because everybody love language is different. The way people express their love is different. So as soon as you get caught up in your mind thinking that love means what you think love is, you may struggle with the understanding of love. Many people have been taught that love represents a strong emotion. That's also not true. Love is not emotions. Love is not feelings. Feelings are emotions. The difference between love, feelings, and emotions is this. Love is love. Love is a choice. Love is the source. Emotions and feelings come from love. A lot of times, also, love is not just being emotionally attached. Love is more than being emotionally attached. Because you can love someone without being emotionally attached. So I want y'all to understand this when you leave and leave this gathering, that love is a choice. That's what I want you to understand. Love is a choice. Love is a decision. So in conclusion, you two are together today because you chose to love each other constantly, even when you were not emotionally attached. And this is the reason that your marriage has lasted. So I'm going to tell you both to, again, stay committed to working with each other. Stay committed to becoming your highest self. Stay committed to understanding yourself. And stay committed to, again, becoming your greater and better self. And this will take your marriage to the next level.